Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today's recipe is leftover ham and bean soup. This is super easy and delicious, and it will give you an idea of what to do with the ham leftover from the holidays. I will start with the beans, and I am using a soup mix beans from Goya. You can use whatever you have. I'm also using a chicken bouillon and one box of chicken stock. I will cook these beans for about a half an hour on my pressure cooker, and I will open that and put all the other ingredients and cook for about another 10 or so minutes. This is what the beans look like after a half an hour on the pressure cooker, and here is where I will be adding everything else to make the soup. So you will start with some chopped onions and garlic. Just dump it in there. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button. It's free. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video. That will help my channel to grow, and I appreciate that so much. We're also adding to the soup some celery, carrots, salt, pepper, a couple dabs of paprika, the leftover ham, six cups of water, any type of pasta that you like. You can also add rice if you prefer. Give it a good mix, and I will be covering my pressure cooker again, and I will set this to cook for about 10 minutes on my vegetable setting. After 10 minutes, I open my pressure cooker, and here you have it, leftover ham and bean soup. This was a super easy and delicious dump and go soup recipe. Like always, I'm so grateful to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. And I hope to have you in my kitchen again. Bye.